It's morning, and Kevin, who works for a mid-sized company, is late and running behind. He's got a lot to do today. A conference call in the morning, an important lunch, and 3 customer calls in the afternoon. But Kevin's company just installed OpenScape Office MX, an easy-to-use unified communication solution that incorporates right into Microsoft Outlook. Before leaving for work, Kevin directs the OpenScape Office Call Me feature to make an urgent call to an overseas supplier. The system calls Kevin and then makes an overseas call, significantly reducing long-distance charges for the company. On his way to the office, Kevin checks his voicemail and is even able to make changes to his Microsoft Outlook calendar right through his cell phone.
Your current status is in a meeting until 10 a.m. today.
Once Kevin arrives at the office, he's able to check his call journal, which allows him to see all of his missed calls and respond to the most important ones first. He's even able to schedule callbacks as well. It's 11 a.m. and it's time for Kevin's conference call. Kevin loves the OpenScape Office MX conferencing system because conference calls are now so amazingly easy. Looking at his favorite contact list, Kevin is now able to drag and drop the name of team members and project specialists directly into the conference with a simple drag and drop conferencing tool. And Kevin loves that he can focus more on the meeting and less time taking notes because he can record the conference for the team and anyone can listen to the recording later. And management thinks it's great to have a conferencing solution in-house, and they love the cost savings. OpenScape Office is great for handling incoming calls too, both from within the company and from outside. Even when Kevin is on a call and another call comes in, he's able to see the information on the caller so he can make an informed choice on taking the call immediately or letting it go to voicemail. Because Kevin needs to talk with a second caller, he takes the call, agrees to call back in 5 minutes, and returns his original call. The day is flying by, and it's time for Kevin to hit the road for some customer calls. But before he does, he has to make one last phone call from the office. Fortunately, Kevin can call from any application like he does here from his contact list. Kevin loves that he can even place calls by clicking on any telephone number within a Microsoft application, such as Word documents, PowerPoint slides, or even email. Before Kevin heads out the door, he has to ask one of his colleagues in the office a quick question. Instead of disturbing him with a phone call, Kevin decides to send an instant message to check whether or not now is a good time to talk. After returning to the office from his customer calls, Kevin sees that he has a new voicemail message within Microsoft Outlook. With OpenScape Office's click-and-play voicemail retrieval, he's able to quickly retrieve and listen to his message and then even forward it along to colleagues through email so others can listen as well. The day is winding down, but Kevin is not feeling very well after a long day. Another great feature within OpenScape Office allows users to create and upload custom voicemail greetings based on their status. So Kevin tells OpenScape Office that he's ill, forwards his phone to Ellen, his manager at extension 600, and then records and uploads a personal greeting to tell callers that he's out sick. Despite getting off to a rocky start, the day ended up being very productive for Kevin, thanks to OpenScape Office. He was even able to close one of his prospects in the afternoon. With multiple communication solutions in a unified portal, Kevin and other users are now able to work more efficiently and productively at home, in the office, or on the road using the power and simplicity of OpenScape Office. For more information, visit www.siemens-enterprise.com. OpenScape Office is the complete solution for your communication needs.